I'm coming slow.
Yeah, it's the lights right around the bend now. Lights are on the corner. The gate's going? Yeah, the gates are going. Here it is. Yeah. Break or something. Man. One of those Superliners smells like they drug it straight through a cow field.
How'd they get back so fast?
This thing does 110.
Like, where did they go right after
Go to like California and up to I forgot. I think it's California.
Did you see the air
Dang it.
brakes?
I have no idea about these. It's literally.
You want
It's not even that complicated. I just have no idea. What?